What's inside the battery of every single electric car, smartphone, and laptop that's taking over the world? It's lithium. And right now, a company called Atlantic Lithium is sitting on what could be Ghana's first major lithium mine. They say the government is about to give them the final green light. Is this your chance to invest in the new oil or a risky gamble? Let's dig in. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. A mining lease is like the ultimate permission slip from the government. It says, yes, you have found valuable minerals in this land. You are officially allowed to dig them up, process them, and sell them. Without this lease, a mining company can't do anything. It's all just rocks in the ground. Getting it is the biggest step from dream to reality. Atlantic Lithium isn't just hopeful, they're confident Ghana will ratify their mining lease soon. This confidence comes from high-level meetings and a feeling that all the hard negotiation is done. Why does this matter globally? Lithium is the white gold powering the electric vehicle EV revolution. Every car company needs it. A producing mine in Ghana would tap into this insane global demand. The company's CEO says this would be a transformational milestone, finance speak for a life-changing, next-level event for the business. Here's the data you need to know before even thinking about investing. The Iwoya project in Ghana's central region could be Ghana's first lithium-producing mine with a possible 20-year life, driven by the global shift to electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy storage. Assur Limited, a big South African mining group, owns 22.5% and is a key funder. This is the riskiest phase. The mine isn't built yet. Many things can still delay or derail it. More permits, community issues, financing. Lithium prices go up and down like a crazy roller coaster based on global supply and demand. Your investment would ride that same ride. You're not investing in current profits, you're betting on a future outcome. It's high risk, high potential reward. Mining stocks are volatile and high risk. This is an educational news breakdown. This is 100% not financial advice. You can lose your entire investment. Only invest what you can afford to lose after deep research or with professional advice. Now, I want your gut feeling on this high-stakes game. Comment in the section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.